Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Monese have a business account? Monese is a mobile-only bank that offers a variety of personal banking services, including current accounts, debit cards, and overdrafts. But what about business accounts? In this video, I'm going to take a closer look at Monese and see if it's a good option for your business. I'll cover the features that Monese offers for business accounts, as well as the pros and cons of using Monese for your business. What is Monese? Monese is a mobile-only bank that was founded in 2015. It offers a variety of personal banking services, including current accounts, debit cards, and overdrafts. Monese is available in the UK, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, and Austria. Does Monese have a business account? Yes, Monese does have a business account. However, it's important to note that Monese business accounts are not available to all businesses. Monese only offers business accounts to sole traders and freelancers. What are the features of Monese business accounts? Monese business accounts offer a number of features, including a free business current account, a free business debit card, up to £20,000 in overdraft, free international transfers, access to a mobile app and online banking platform, the ability to add up to 5 employees to your account. Pros of using Monese for your business. There are a number of pros to using Monese for your business, including Monese is free to use. Monese is easy to set up. Monese offers a variety of features that are useful for businesses. Monese is available in a number of countries. Monese has good customer service. Cons of using Monese for your business. There are also a number of cons to using Monese for your business, including Monese only offers business accounts to sole traders and freelancers. Monese has a limited number of features compared to some other business bank accounts. Monese is not available in all countries. Monese has had some customer service issues in the past. So, does Monese have a business account? Yes, it does. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of using Monese for your business before making a decision. If you're a sole trader or freelancer who is looking for a free, easy-to-use business bank account, then Monese could be a good option for you. However, if you're a larger business or you need more features, then Monese may not be the right choice for you. If you're interested in learning more about Monese business accounts, you can visit their website or download their app. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on business banking. Additional tips. You can also use Monese to send and receive money internationally. Monese offers a number of integrations with other business tools, such as Xero and QuickBooks. Monese is a member of the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS, so your money is protected up to £85,000. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on business banking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.